Welcome back to my channel. It is your balloon bestie Karen Sawyer with another easy tutorial. In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to create that very large number 2 pencil. If this is your first time, welcome. Please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so that you receive notification when I upload new tutorials. All right, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with your bottom 2 rows, which will be the eraser. You can use either rose or pink. You're going to take either an 11-inch or a 12-inch balloon and inflate it to 10 inches. Then from there, you're going to create your 5-pack cluster. So you're going to inflate a triplet and a duplet, and you're going to combine those two together, and it's going to create your 5-pack. Then you go ahead and you wrap that around your framing. You will create 2 rows of either the pink or the rose, and again that will stand as the eraser. Then the next row, row 3, will be silver, and that is going to also be at 10 inches. And from there, rows 4 through 8, you will have your 10-inch yellow. If you're enjoying this tutorial, hit that like button. It does help my channel out a ton, and it is a super small free way to show your support. Thank you, and let's get back to the tutorial. Okay, now you're going to change the sizes as you get to the top. Row 9 and 10 are blush at 8 and 7 inches, and 11 and 12 are black at 6 and 5 inches. And voila, you have your large number 2 pencil. Thank you for watching.